I have not seen in the history of Hinduism that they would destroy all other religions. Say, for example, there are allegations that Christian is a foreign religion, which is unfounded, which is not relevant at all. Let me tell you, in the Vedic religions, which Hinduism started it came from where? Germany. Come on, it came from Persia. Come on, and the language that really started growing as a Vedic cult flourished in no other than in Pakistan, in a place called and on the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, that civilization. In that area only you can find the Vedic growing with Hinduism and Sanskritizing, and many of the words you find in Persia are Sanskrit. Come on, now why would you want to point Christians as foreign religion? I think it is with the same tone as some of those people have pointed fingers at Christian as foreign religion. Can I not point also that, look, Hinduism also a foreign religion? It is a religion as such, it has evolved. It has evolved in the time to come. One of the very good texts you find in both the Bhagavad Gita and also in Mahabharata, it's always about good and the evil. It doesn't say that, you go against any particular religion. Never. So why would the indigenous people fight against the Christians, saying that you Christians are foreign religion? Give me it. Sorry, sir. It is not so. And for 47 years there has been peace, absolute peace. I have not found anywhere the fight between non-Christians and a Christian in 47 years. Why you want to again bring up this issue? Bring about disunity amongst your brothers and sisters. This is all obnoxious to my mind. I think the Home Minister and Pema Khandu must rethink. Above all, they must realize that Arunachal destabilizing, the trouble in Arunachal would be the Chinese will be very happy because they are sitting just across a border. So let us not make people look across the border. Let there be peace, secular and democracy. Respect all religion. Respect all religion. I have nothing against Hindu. And I am also, again, I want to repeat again, I don't support anybody calling any other religion as Satan. No, it is not correct. I will not call. I am a Christian. You may be a Hindu. I will not tell you you're a Satan. No. You are believing in what you believe. Your belief is in your faith of Bhagavad Gita. So be it. You believe it. I respect you for that. So, in short, I think Arunachal Christian Forum has been able to send a message, though there has not been Geroimdas State Assembly, which such a huge gathering, that would be a serious mistake, I think so. Maybe one stage we come, second stage, third stage. Always the process of stages is important. And I appreciate the maturity of the Arunachal Christian Forum. Had there not been a maturity, they would say, come on, let us go. But some who want to make problems will go out of the way. And there can be problems, there can be fight. So why go for it? Let us go for peaceful. Christianity believes in peace.